గైస్ ఒక 30 మినిట్స్ ఒక మీటింగ్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యి $2000ని మనం ఎర్న్ చేయొచ్చా అంటే దాని ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ ఈరోజు నేను నా క్లయింట్తో ఏదైతే డిస్కస్ చేసిన సేల్స్ కాల్ ఉందో ఆ సేల్స్ కాల్ని నేను మీకు చూపిపోతున్నాను. సో బేసికల్లీ క్లయింట్ మన వీడియోస్ అవన్నీ చూసినప్పుడు ఒక మెయిల్ అనేది చేశారు. సో వాళ్ళకు ఒక రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ బిజినెస్ ఉంది అండ్ హీ వర్క్స్ ఎట్ అమెజాన్ యాజ్ అ క్వాలిటీ అనలిస్ట్ అని. ఆ మెయిల్లో ఏదైతే ఒక డాక్యుమెంట్ పెట్టున్నారో ఆ డాక్యుమెంట్ని స్టడీ చేసిన తర్వాత ఒక రోజు అపాయింట్మెంట్ అనేది బుక్ చేసుకొని జాయిన్ అయిన మీటింగ్ ఇది. సో ఈ మీటింగ్లో ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పార్ట్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ప్రతి పార్ట్ని మీరు మిస్ అవ్వకుండా స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి. సో దట్ మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది ఒక క్లయింట్తో మనం ఎలా మాట్లాడాలి, ఎలా ప్రైజింగ్ అనేది ఇవ్వాలి అనేది. సో ఇంకా ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ద వీడియో.
Yes, yes. First of all, I would thank for the response from the email, and I have I have just saw your stuff on Instagram, maybe uh, 2 weeks back. So I just before going forward, I just want to introduce myself, that what I do and what are my requirements. Okay.
Sure, yeah.
So I work as a quality analyst at Amazon. I mean, I stay in Bangalore. So apart from these, I just don't want to make you feel bored, and I just don't want to prolong. I'll go fast. I'll go a little bit quick.
Yeah.
So, the thing is, I work as a quality analyst. Apart from this, I parallelly run a real estate business, and I have so many clients who will buy properties. I mean, where I go through a lot of data. Like I have 2 lakhs to nearly 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs data, where people want to sell the property, and I'll get through the WhatsApp groups, and also some will contact me directly, and then I'll promote that through my social media accounts, or else sometimes I boost the ads and everything. So
Okay.
as I was doing that, it was very difficult for me to manage everything apart from my job and my daily responsibilities. I felt like I'm missing somewhere, and I've came across your videos, and then I thought about why not have a conversation and have a fair idea, just like so that whether somewhere I can also make automate, and I just thought of investing something. That's the reason of connecting with you, and the email also. I already mentioned everything in the mail. I don't have to again
Yeah.
tell, because I don't have to, I don't want to reiterate everything. So
Yeah.
just want to have a word with you before going forward, because this is very critical for me, and even I don't have a lot of, I don't want to take your much time.
Okay.
Please go ahead.
Okay, Shahid. So the first thing is, let me tell you what what I understood about your email. So basically, you're working at Amazon, and parallelly, you're working as a real estate business, right? You're running a real estate business where you're acting like a barrier between a customer
Yeah.
who wants to purchase land, and then who is selling the land, right?
Yes.
Okay. So after knowing everything, like I have some questions in my mind. So let me just ask you that. So the first thing is, as you said, you are having maybe 2 lakhs of data, right? Where are you storing? Either in Excel, or do you have any type of a
I
database?
use Excel actually.
Okay. So you have Excel, and there you are having more than 2 lakh plus contacts, right? And
Yes.
okay, fine. And the another thing is, as you said, you are running your social media and everything. So are you posting it manually, like by yourself?
Yes, I do post manually. Sometimes I
Okay.
let my friends to post online when I am not
Okay.
available, because I have given access to them as well. So
Okay.
yeah, that becomes very hectic, right? Like sometimes
Yeah.
we miss some of the clients, that that will become a very big problem. I mean, it is not about losing the profit; it is about losing the client, right?
Exactly. And another thing is, you said that you're running some meta ads.
Yes, yes.
So the thing is, when you run meta ads, are you getting them into your WhatsApp, or they are directly calling you for the queries?
Sometimes both works. Like sometimes
Okay.
I'll get a calls, and even sometimes WhatsApp pings, and even on Instagram also I'll get DMs.
Okay.
It works multiple ways.
Okay. Yeah. So now, I mean, as I have a complete idea of what you're trying to expect from me. So the thing is, as I said, I have done this before to multiple clients. And mainly, let me just propose you what I can do. So after I read the mail, I talked with my team, and we sat together for maybe 1 hour, and we discussed what we can do to you. So the first thing is, as you said, you're running your social media. And for the social media, you're doing the posts manual. But in this case, what we are going to do is, we are going to provide you an interface. You can consider it as a software for your personal use. And
Okay.
whenever you come to this software, the only thing that you need to do is just tell the details of the plot, and the dimensions of the plot, the price of the plot, and the location of the plot. You will be just having an interface, and once you click on submit, it will automatically generate some cursors and post it into Instagram, Facebook, and everywhere. And as you said, you're doing the meta ads, right? So when you do meta ads, everyone is calling to you or either messaging to you. So what we are going to do is we can do we can do two things. The first is a WhatsApp chatbot. So if someone messages to that WhatsApp number, automatically they will be asking which plot do you have interest in, and based on the location, we'll be showing the plots there. So it's not you who are going to keep the photos of the plot and all those things, but the agent who is acting there. And the another thing is, to receive the calls, you are going to have an AI voice agent which will receive the calls, and based on the query, as you are having the database, you will be having a database where you are going to store all the data, like what are the plots in sale, which are already sold. So all these type of data, and based on the database, it will refer to the database and answer the persons about their queries. So basically, whoever inquires, you're not going to follow them up.
Yeah.
The system that we are going to build will follow them up. Okay, so this is the second one. And coming to the third one, as you said, you're having some type of a, you can say you need to call everyone. Let us say you are having a requirement. There is a land, and
Yeah.
now you have 2 lakhs of people's data, and there will be some type of a preferences of that persons, as you mentioned in the mail. So
Yeah.
basically, based on that, what we can do is we can take an agent, AI agent, voice agent. What this will do is, the only thing that you need to do, as I said, is to type the requirement in the software, and automatically we are going to develop an AI voice agent which will be a lead qualification agent. So this is very, you can say this is very simple, and it will be very efficient to you. So let me just tell you deep down what's going to happen. So basically, whenever you are trying to do the things, like you are going to call manually, right? Instead of you, we are going to place an AI voice agent which will call to, let us say you have 2 lakh persons, for example. For the 10,000 persons, it will automatically initiate the calls. So maybe in 4 days, everyone will be receiving a call about this plot. And let me know if 10,000 people are going to have the call, receive the call, can't even one will come and purchase it. The chances
Yes.
of purchasing it will be very high. So, and also, if you need, what we can do is, for the 10,000 people, we can have a lead score. So whenever this AI agent talk to that person, based on the sentiment analysis, the behavior and the way of talking of the client, of the customer, it will automatically assign marks. So based on 100, it will give, if the person is really interested in asking questions, it will give 80 or 90 score. And if the person is not interested, hey, why are you calling to me? I don't think I need this. I already purchased it. Something like that. It will give the lead score of 20 or 30. Now, basically, you will be having the data of the lead scores. Now, in a Sunday or a weekend, you are going to sit, and whoever is having the lead score above 90, you are going to call them manually. By this, you're not going to call to everyone and waste your time. You're just calling to the persons who are pretty much interested in that.
Yeah.
So these are the things that I proposed you. I mean, I told you the 3 things. The first is the social media, and the second one is the WhatsApp chatbot and the inbound voice agent, and the third one is an outbound voice agent. So what do you think?
So actually, this is really solid idea, I can say, because daily getting a lot of contacts, and in that many will go fatal. Like I might get proper proposal, but when I go for further, it will end up failed. So but when I know about, I mean, what you said about the score, actually it works. I mean, because when I sit and when I check out, and I can contact those person, and I can make a short, I mean, you are telling that shortlisting of people make works a
Exactly.
lot. So that's a solid idea. I just need to know how much it will cost for me to have this automation.
Okay. So basically, based on your mail, if I say you were just having a single requirement, that is an outbound voice agent. But
Yeah.
here, as I said, I am going to sit with my team, spend a time together, and I proposed you something that you haven't expected, right? So
Yeah.
for these type of solutions, we are going with the phases. So as I said, there are 3 solutions that we are going to provide you. The first solution is called as first phase. You can consider it as 3 phases, and these 3 phases we are going to keep a deadline of 1 month.
Yeah.
And per phase, we are going to have somewhere around 60K to 70K.
Okay.
So if you're having a whole thing like the 3 phases, if you are going to purchase the 3 phases, then we can reduce it and we can maybe negotiate. So what do you think?
Yeah, actually the thing is, you didn't propose the cost. I mean, how long I can expect that you can tell me the exact costing for this and happen, I mean, according to the phase wise.
Okay, so per phase, as I said, we are going to charge 60,000 to 70,000. And as I
60,000.
said,
for
Yeah.
phase, or else, I mean, you're telling phase means how it works, like like one of my colleague, like he suggested me one person that he will be supporting for the entire like how, I mean, as long as that particular chatbot or whatever the AI agent he's going to create, and for the testing purpose, and whatever, I mean, whatever the bugs that I'll get in the period of time that has been set, he will be taking care. And that was costing around somewhere like 2-3 lakhs. That's what I heard. But you are telling the phases, that how long I can expect that one phase will go on. Like what if I get prolonged for a longer period of time, and that might cost me more, right? Are you getting my
Okay.
point?
So yeah, I got you, completely got you. So basically, we are going to sign an SLA, the service legal agreement, where
Okay.
I will be proposing you the first phase will be of mostly 1 week. The
Okay.
second phase will be of the another week.
Okay.
The third phase will be of the 2 weeks. So
Okay.
basically, the whole automation of the project we are going to complete in 4 weeks. That is 1 month.
Okay.
And coming to the cost, as I said, if you go to anywhere, you are going to have whatever you said. Like you are not having the idea of we can do the social media automation as well as the WhatsApp chatbot, and then the inbound agent and also the outbound agent. But here, as I said, this is the main thing that I am focusing on. That is the client satisfaction. Okay, so I talked with my team. I know that you just need one solution, but I propose you the whole automation project where
Okay.
end to end you're going to automate your business. And
Okay.
from this business, whatever the business that you're going to run, if you're not getting the results, then you can just ask for me and you can come here and change the way that we are going to do it.
Okay. So
Okay, so if you
you are
go
telling me
anywhere,
that even after the phases, that I can get in touch with you, and whatever the bugs that I have, or whatever the issue I have, without being cost, like without paying again, you will resolve my issue, right?
no, so basically after the project, let us say the project will be completed in 1 month, we'll
Yeah.
be having a 7 days buffer time. So in the
Okay.
7 days, you're going to test it in the production phase. Like you're going to call the persons and you're going to have a chatbot and you're going to post the persons. And in case if you're facing any type of difficulty within the deployment of the 7 days,
Hmm.
in that case, we are going to provide it for the free of cost. But let us say you are working it and you are getting results, and after maybe 4 months or 5 months, you found a bug. In that case, if you are coming to me, at that time you are going to be charged, but the charge will be minimal. Whatever the setup cost that we are going to have, it would be somewhere around 10% of the setup cost.
Okay.
Yeah, and mostly I think from our side there will be no bugs. But in case if there are any changes in the APIs or any documentation of any tool, in such a case, I think that's the only thing that you can face a problem, and mostly that would be rare.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's actually solid idea, and I appreciate. I mean, I came for one thing, and you gave me 3 ideas, and which is really impressive. So I will, in the next connect, definitely I would let you know that how we will proceed, and because this is, I'm not the only one who is doing. Even along with me, and my one of my colleague is also involved in this.
Okay.
I mean, in this I mean, whatever we are doing. So once I discuss with you, and I'll get in touch with you, and definitely will move forward on this, because it's really required for me to make my
Okay.
work easier and also manageable, both side, even my job and also this. All right.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah, sure, Shahid. I mean, you can just take your time and you can get back to you. I mean, you can get me back whenever you think that we can work on. And as I said, for the whole, as I said, the project, as I said, per phase that would be 70K, and
yeah.
for the 3 phases, if you see, that would be somewhere around 2,01,000, right? So if you're going to sign it or if you're going to pay upfront by tomorrow, in such
Yeah.
cases, we can reduce it up to 30,000. That is, you can only be charged for 1,80,000.
Okay.
Okay, but if the time is running out, in such case you will be having the same thing. And as I said, if you're going to do it in today or tomorrow, you will be having it for 1,80,000, and the upfront that you need to pay would be of 80K,
Okay.
and the remaining amount you are going to pay it after the maybe the phase 3 or maybe phase 2.
All right.
It depends.
All right.
Yeah.
Got it. Thank you. Thank you
Okay,
so much for
okay,
your time.
Shahid, thank you.
అండ్ దెన్ ఆ క్లయింట్ ఒక 2 days తర్వాత నాకు కాల్ చేసి ఇలా నేను ప్రొసీడ్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నాను అని చెప్పి అప్ ఫ్రంట్ ఒక 50% పేమెంట్ అనేది ఆల్రెడీ చేశారు. అండ్ దెన్ ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ని మనం ఇప్పుడు ఆన్ గోయింగ్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు చూసారు అంటే నేను కరెక్ట్ గా ఒక 20 minutes మాట్లాడాను. అండ్ ఆ మాట్లాడే ముందే నేను ఒక డాక్యుమెంట్ అనేది పెట్టించుకున్నాను, లైక్ వాట్ ఈస్ హిస్ బిజినెస్ అని చెప్పి. అండ్ ఆ బిజినెస్ కి తగ్గట్టు నేను ఎంత మంచి ప్రపోజల్ అనేది తీసుకొని వెళ్ళి పిచ్ చేశాను అంటే దాన్ని నో అనడానికి అసలు ఛాన్సే లేదు. సో ఇలాంటి పిచెస్ అండ్ ఇలాంటి ప్రపోజల్స్ మీరు ఎలా చేయాలి అండ్ మీరు ఇలానే క్లయింట్స్ని ఎలా ఫైన్ చేసి వీళ్ళకి మీరు మంచి సొల్యూషన్స్ని ఇచ్చి ఎలా మనీని ఎర్న్ చేయాలి అని చెప్పి నేను నా ఆటోమేషన్ ఏజెన్సీ కోర్స్లో డీటెయిల్గా చెప్తున్నాను. సో ఇన్ కేస్ మీరు ఎవరైనా రిజిస్టర్ అవ్వలేదు అంటే నేను లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇస్తాను, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఇలాంటి క్లయింట్ మీటింగ్స్ ఇంకా మీకు కావాలి అంటే కామెంట్లో చెప్పండి. అండ్ మనం నిజంగా మాట్లాడాలి అంటే ఇలాంటి మీటింగ్స్ని ఎవరు కూడా చూపిరు, బట్ ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ మీరు నేర్చుకోవాలి అని చెప్పి నేను ఈ మీటింగ్స్ని కూడా రికార్డింగ్స్ లాగా యూట్యూబ్లో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. అండ్ లెట్స్ అజ్యూమ్ మీరు ఒక మంత్లో ఇలాంటి ఒక 2 ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ని టేక్ ఓవర్ చేసినా కూడా మీకు మంత్లీ ఇన్కమ్ అనేది మంచిగా ఎర్న్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ ద ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ ఫ్రీడమ్. మీరు బయటెళ్ళి ఒక దగ్గర వర్క్ చేసే బదులు ఇలా మీకు ఓన్గా మీరు ఒక ఏజెన్సీ అనేది స్టార్ట్ చేసుకొని ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఫ్రీలాన్సింగ్లోనే ఇలాంటివి మీరు చేశారు అంటే మీకు ఎన్నింగ్ వస్తుంది అండ్ మీకు ఫ్రీడమ్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. సో దట్స్ ఇట్ గైస్. సో ఈరోజు వీడియో మీకు నచ్చింది అనుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మన ఛానల్ ఇప్పుడే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని ఆ నోటిఫికేషన్ బెల్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని మీరు ఆన్ చేసుకోండి, సో దట్ యూ డోంట్ మిస్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ అవర్ వీడియోస్. సో ఇలాంటి వీడియోతో మనం మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అప్పటి వరకు టేక్ కేర్, బాయ్ బాయ్.